Alaan mo!
Blind item, feng shui, against nga ba sa pagmamahalan ni na Actress D at Actress B? Pero sabi ng feng shui, Gemini and Aquarius are a great match and in love or friendship. Gemini and Aquarius, both air signs, are generally considered to have a high level of compatibility, often with a 95% overall compatibility rating. Their shared love of intellectual discussion and social interaction and freedom makes them a strong match. Talagang strong match talaga sila. Dagdag pa ng expert, matatag ang kanilang relasyon. Alam nila kung paano nila alagaan ang kanilang relasyon.